Hello, guys. Here at the Dutch Railway Museum, we'll journey through history to uncover the hidden secrets of the past. This is 3031 Motorpost. Most people walk past this one assuming it carried passengers, but it didn't. It was a self-propelled mail car. Let's take a closer look. Starting from 1966, it hauled mail across the country for nearly 30 years. Let's check another exponent. This is the Black Romanian, a Dutch luggage wagon lost during World War II and found rusting in Romania in 2003, far from where it began. First Dutch double-decker train. The 1312's French cousin reached 331 kilometers per hour in 1955, setting a locomotive speed record that stood for over 50 years. During the war, the occupying forces took over this station, turning it into a point from which Utrecht's Jews were deported. The Oersik is a small, cheap shunting locomotive that Dutch railways used in the 1930s. This hand-cranked crane used gears and a swinging arm to lift heavy luggage and freight onto the trains. This tower supplied water for the steam locomotives. This green train is the MAT 46 electric set, built after the war to replace stock that had been destroyed. And we end with two Dutch classics together. On the left, a Buffel, a diesel named for its buffalo-shaped front, built for regional lines without overhead wires. On the right, the MAP 64, the everyday local train that first brought the plug doors we still know today. Thanks for watching.